Hi, I'm Scott Bowling. Your assessment results are in, and you've landed in our moderate risk category. First off, the good news. You've avoided the most critical traps that catch many seniors off guard. However, your score still shows that there are still a few red flags in your setup that could lead to unexpected medical bills or network issues down the road. Most people in this category have a plan that works most of the time until they have a major health event or a specific medication change. Whether it's a sneaky increase in your Part D cost or a doctor that is no longer in network for your plan, these moderate risks are exactly what we call the silent leaks in a retirement budget. I'd like to offer you a quick 10-minute Medicare checkup. We'll take a look at those specific red flags from your quiz, verify your doctors, and make sure you aren't leaving money on the table. It's a simple phone call to move you from fairly covered to completely confident. Go ahead and select a time on the calendar below that fits your schedule. Let's tighten up those gaps together so that you can get back to enjoying your retirement. I'll talk to you soon.